Hey guys, and welcome back. See, I'm going to do this really easy Valentine's Day drag marble nail design. So I'm going to use this sheer pink by Pure Ice called Satin Ribbon, this pearly white by Sinful Colors called Angelique, and red by China Glaze called Sexy Silhouette. So I already painted my nails with one coat of the sheer pink, and the second coat I'm going to do a much thicker coat so I'm able to drag. I always say this on my videos, always have a thicker coat. Then I'm just going to dot on the red. They're going to have separation between them, and then I'm going to put in between the reds the white. Then using a thin nail brush, I'm just going to draw a line, and that's going to create a heart design. It's really simple. This is a really easy and simple design to do. One of the most simplest drag marble designs. Then I just added some dots just to bring it all together. I thought it looked really cute adding the dots, but if you want, you can leave it on its own, or you can add two drag marble designs, on each side of your nail. It's all up to you. But I just thought this is cute. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. It's really pretty, and you can use any colors. You can use pink, and white or red and pink, whatever you like. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I told you, this is a really easy and simple drag marble design. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.